Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, which as you can see adds quite a bit of height, and sitting on some 20-inch XD series rims with some 37-inch Cooper Discoverer STT Pro off-road tires, nice pocket style fender flares to match the lift with some bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires too, and running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting into your newly lifted truck. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and then you have two more right here in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 110 volt power outlet. Do also have heated rear seats, which is always nice. And then the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath. Can be locked at the hinge, so you do have some security there as well, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors, and power telescoping towing mirrors, so that's pretty nice too, with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at information for your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. You can also go into your truck infos such as your transmission temperature and diesel exhaust fluid, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and then you also have your service information. You can also go into your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. Do also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors. It will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that with dynamic hit view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen so you hopefully won't get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, and your lane departure system or lane departure warning system. Vehicle does also have a premium B&O audio system that's Bang & Olufsen, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here. Once again, dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller underneath that. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then down below, you have this compartment, which opens to reveal another USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad. So if your phone is compatible with wireless charging, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge, as stated. So then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, or if you just want to have more storage here in the center, there's that too. And your center locking compartment / armrest here with a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another 12-volt power outlet, so there's always that. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And up here you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day or a breeze while you're out for a cruise. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck and wouldn't mind some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, certainly an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.